Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a halter neck dress. You're going to need a dress that already fits you relatively well, and you're going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom, roughly around an inch or two. Here I'm just pointing out where you're going to need to cut the dress. When cutting around the dress, you guys need to make sure to leave a 1-inch seam allowance, and once you get to the top, you need to cut it in a straight line. So you're kind of making the first piece into a rectangle, and this will be the front part of the dress. Since this is a backless halter neck dress, for our second piece, we're going to fold the dress in half, and then we're going to cut in a square shape, and again leaving a bit of room at the bottom just in case you guys want to hem the dress. And again, just a reminder to leave an inch seam allowance when you're cutting. The third and final piece of our dress is going to be the string that we're going to tie around our neck. As a minimum, it should be 2 inches wide and however long you want it. However, I did make mine a little bit wider, but that's just my personal preference. Now I'm just laying out my pieces, and as you can see, we have a total of 3 pieces. So now we're going to pin the front and the back piece together with the right sides facing in. And we're going to sew the 2 side seams up with a zigzag stitch, and this is because the material is a stretch fabric. So just for your reference, this is what a zigzag stitch should look like. So taking the third piece of our dress, which is the string that we're going to tie around our necks, you will need to fold it in half and then sew along the side seam, again with a zigzag stitch because this material is stretchy. You then need to turn the string inside out, and I personally use a loop hook turner just because I find it easiest, but you could also clip a safety pin to the end and thread it through. Once you've pulled it through the other side, it should look something like this. We then need to fold the top of the dress so that we can make a channel for the string to go through. And we're going to sew it with a zigzag stitch. And here I'm just trying to show you that the way that you fold it is on the outside. Don't fold it inwards, because at the end we will need to turn the dress inside out and the channel will just look wrong if you sew it on the inside. So that's the channel that I've just sewed, and as you can see there should be a little hole so that you can thread the string through it. Now I've just clipped a safety pin to the end of my string and I'm threading it through the channel that we've made. Now I'm turning the dress inside out, and you can cut off any loose threads to make it look a bit neater. And the dress is basically finished. So this is how the dress looked on me. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at IamEliseR. I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you in my next video.